We got Buldak and Wingstop. Look how saucy that is, y'all. First bite for you. Y'all, I think it tastes the best with the original hot. Like, look at that. Some ranch. Look at that, y'all. Original hot is so good. It's like my favorite one. Y'all, this is so freaking good. It's my last bite.
I made Chipotle grilled cheese burrito. I gotta have the sauce. Second bite for you. I'll have a Dorito. Yes, yes, yes. Mm. Mm. I'll have another bite. Mm-hmm. That barbacoa is smacking in there. I got fruit punch Minute Maid. Oh yeah. Mm.
I got talking tacos. Queso birria taco. Birria pizza. Whatever they put on here, fire. Birria ramen. Some ramen on tansume. Grilled cheese in the tomato soup. Reminds me of a birria butter chicken. Put so much flavor in everything. Crispy stack wrap. This is like crunch wrap on steroid. Limon. I hope they added the Takis in here. Love the tortilla and the steak. Their burrito. Spicy mayo. Nice tang to it. I love the Takis on here. Loaded nachos with jalapeno sauce. I don't think I've ever had birria with Takis on my nachos. Cheese and cream churros. My churros loaded and these are crunchy. To finish off, we got the loaded fries, the crispy stack wrap, and the queso birria taco, birria pizza, burrito and the grilled cheese, birria ramen, loaded nachos, loaded fries, cheese and cream churros, mango nata, and horchata. Everything's from Talking Tacos. Make sure y'all check them out and let me know what you think.
Today I got cheesy ramen and Wingstop, the perfect tender. Y'all can have this bite. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Lemon pepper tender, ranch. Cheers. Wow. Cheers. We also have some dry original hot tenders. Like, where's my sauce? Oh my gosh, can this move out my way? Ranch. Stomach hurting, y'all. Why the hell is gas so expensive now, too? Like, I went to go fill my tank up. I usually go to Sam's Club, because Sam's Club, if you know, you know. They're, like, cheaper for premium gas. I filled my tank. I couldn't even fill it up. I normally fill it up. Bitch, I've stopped at, like, $40, and I still didn't have a full tank. Like, what? Anyways, cheers.
Hi loves, I got a Stays hot chicken. Honey, pickle. First time trying their mac and cheese. So creamy and gooey. Everything is in the flavor hot. Cheers. Let's throw some mac and cheese on this. Can't forget your bite. A little secret, this is my own sauce. If you ever see me with a big cup of sauce, I made it myself.
Let's eat some Popeyes. Have a bite. Look at this thick chicken sandwich. Let's have some fries. Mac and cheese. Oh my gosh, that looks really good. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. Look at this size. We got a biscuit.
I'm craving some cheese pulls from Chili's. Let's try this food hack. Put a mozzarella stick in the middle like that. Just a little bit of ranch. Let's see if we get that cheese pool. Fairly disappointing today, guys. Still tastes bomb though. Now for the egg rolls as the buns and mozzarella stick as the patty. Let's see if it pools. How am I gonna fit this? Bro, the egg roll just busted open. The egg roll's pretty underrated. Nashville hot chicken crispers. Damn, that's crunchy.
Can you see the voodoo chips? There's nothing better than chicken Caesar wrap. This is heaven. Love this soda. Best chips ever. So good.
Come eat In-N-Out with me. First bite for you. Lots of spread. Cherry Coke. I love a cherry Coke. They actually gave me so much spread on the fries this time. Happy. I always say extra spread now. Bite for you. So good. Loaded bite.
Buldak and Wingstop. Hot honey tenders are so saucy today. Cheese sauce. Need a couple bites of the stew type by itself. I put extra cheese in my stew type today, but it's still really spicy.
I'm here to eat the leftovers.
Doesn't know how to put it over the tender right, so I'm gonna help him.
You gonna feed me too?
My hand looks huge. Do you want ranch or cheese?
Yeah, I'm gonna ranch it up.
I don't know if I should feed you. Oh my god.
They messed up our order originally and they gave us atomic Hawaiian instead of hot honey. Stew type is spicier than most of the other flavors.
Today we got an onion boiling crab. Lemon. Look at that. Look at that.
Listen to the crunch. Honey butter sandwich. These cheese curds are so good. The crunch is insane. Listen to the crunch. So yummy.
Yo, bro, let's muck some momos. Oh, yeah. Ooh, but they taped everything. Kept it safe. How did they even do that? There. This must be the beef curry. Yeah, that's the beef curry. I'm gonna start there. This all honestly looks so good. And the smell. Whoa. So if you don't know what momos are, they're Tibetan dumplings. I got a couple other things too. This is called tingmo, so I guess it's just fried dough. And I'm gonna use that to just go rogue in this curry. I'm just gonna put a whole friggin' towel on me because I know I'm gonna make a mess. Little beef bone, no problem. Reminds me of bannock. It's a little lighter. I'm in love. Okay, now I'm confused. This is Tibetan ballet. This is tingmo. It's meant to absorb some flavor. Yeah, it's awesome. BRB. This is a banana milk tea. When I was a kid, I used to hang out at the German Cultural Club of Edmonton a lot. My Oma was the president. For whatever reason, the chef always had banana ice cream, so I'd go hang out and have some schnitzel and banana ice cream. This is giving me a little bit of a throwback. Steamed beef Joel momo, Joel momo, which means soup. Tangy. I'm curious what's in that. It's really yummy. I also thought it would be warm, but it's cold. That's the inside of the momo, loaded with beef. I'm gonna chuck it in. There we go. Oh, I forgot to put hot sauce. Whoa, that sauce is hot, but it's like got a lot going on. A little bit of spicy, a little bit of soup. And these are kurkure momo filled with chicken that have been coated and fried. Honestly, I prefer the steamed ones because you can taste the filling better and the chewiness of the dough is the standout. But a breaded dumpling, hard to go wrong.